The shadows were never empty.
If you've ever struggled with AI characters looking different in every single scene, sometimes they look right, sometimes they're totally off, then today that problem is officially over. Before we dive in, if you're into AI tools that save time, automate content, and help you build extra income online, make sure you subscribe to JACKY AI Flow right now. And trust me, watch this video all the way through. If you miss just one small step, you might miss something extremely valuable at the end. All right, let's jump straight in. So what's the best part about this? You only need one single image of your character. From that image, I'll show you how to turn it into a character reference sheet, basically the character's DNA. Once you have that, you can generate images or videos where the face, body, and overall vibe stay consistent from start to finish. And here's the really cool part. You can change outfits, backgrounds, camera angles, whatever you want, but the character still feels like the same exact person every time. I actually discovered this technique by accident while watching a YouTube video. But after testing it over and over again, I realized something important. The secret is not writing insanely complex prompts. The real magic is how you use the character sheet as an ingredient. You can even create a character sheet without a reference image at all. But if you do have a real image to start with, the accuracy is way higher. And this is where most people get it wrong. The breakthrough isn't just creating the character sheet, it's how you combine it with a start image or a prompt when generating video. Let me explain this in a simple way. You need an AI tool that supports ingredients, elements, or references. Different platforms use different words, but the idea is the same. The AI needs to understand, this is a fixed character. Do not change them. That's why we're not just doing basic image to video. Now let me walk you through this step by step on screen, so you can follow along without getting confused. Alright, on my screen now, go to Castillo's All FX Tools Flow. Once you're logged in, you'll be inside Nano Banana. Step 1. Make sure you're in Create Image mode. Step 2. Click the plus bot to upload your original character image. For aspect ratio, I choose 16:9. From my experience, this works more consistently, especially if you're planning cinematic videos later. For outputs, I usually set it to 2 images. That's more than enough to choose from. Then I paste in my character sheet prompt. I'll leave this prompt in the video description so you can copy it easily. Once the AI finishes, you'll see 2 character sheet options. I usually pick the one where, the face is clearer and closer. There are more front-facing angles, the character takes up more of the frame. Why? Because later on when you generate wide shots or moving scenes, the AI sticks to the character much better. Once selected, click Add to Prompt to use it as your start image. At this point, we have a character reference sheet, a prompt, a start image. Here's how I generate the video. First, I add the start image to the prompt. Then, and this is critical, I add the character reference sheet again as an ingredient. A lot of people think, wait, if I already have a start image, why do I need the reference sheet? This is the biggest mistake. The reference sheet is what keeps your character from morphing or drifting during the video.
This system was never broken. It was designed that way.
To test this clearly, I use a very simple prompt. This makes it easy to see. Does the face change? Does the hair or body shift? I also make sure I'm in ingredients to video mode. Alright, let's run it. And as you can see, the character stays incredibly consistent. Drop a comment below and tell me, does your character turn out amazing too? Now here's a great question. What if you want 2 AI characters in the same video? The process is exactly the same. Just upload the character sheet for character A, the character sheet for character B, then use both as ingredients. The result feels very natural, and each character keeps their own face perfectly.
You're harder to find than they said.
I was hoping you'd show up.
This ends tonight.
So here's the clean workflow. Use Nano Banana to create a character reference sheet from one image. 2. Use that reference sheet as an ingredient or element. 3. Even if you already have a start frame, always include the character sheet when generating video. Personally, I'm really excited about this because it opens the door to Elon-style AI movies, character-based series, faceless channels that still have consistent actors.
The shadows were never empty. You're harder to find than they said.
I was hoping you'd show up.
This ends tonight.
If this video helped you, make sure to like the video to support the channel. Subscribe to JACKY AI Flow for more AI tools and workflows. Comment below if you want more detailed prompts or want to share your results. And like I always say, if I can do this, you can do it too. And probably even better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.